the wind, and we could do like a little driving vlog or whatever. And got a lot of stuff planned for the channel, and I gotta get in this lane here so I go slow. But I'd like to do like one video once a week, or a couple videos, once a week, and just something to keep the channel going, the views up. But I have like quite a few good videos planned this summer. Me and Katie want to do some videos, and like we got a lot of stuff planned, and I don't want to say what it is, but I think it's going to be kind of cool, to be honest. So, well, the Toyota Prius has a water pump. It's okay, but the bearing's going on. It's a little wet. The belt's bad. I don't know. Let's see if I can zoom in. I can wiggle the pulley here, but yeah, you see it. I did look at the records. This water pump was replaced at 100,000 miles, and it's already got another 100,000. It's at a 207, almost 208,000. So that water pump made it to 101. So original one. So I think what I'll do is just replace it, do the maintenance, check the hoses. Them hoses are kind of brittle, don't they? And just pretend I didn't see that. But anyway, we'll go and do this, and I'll video the way when I get there. It's coming off the pulley. There, I got it out. There it is. That was pretty simple. That's the original belt. It don't look too bad, but you see it's been kind of slipping on that pulley, I think. I don't know if there's any cracks in there, but see, I got the pulley off. 3 screws. It is down there, and we'll set that up there. There's a nice big screwdriver, so let's try to, if I get in there and pry it, I hope we can get it out, but I don't know. The phone, of course, has to be right in the way, too. That's, I don't know how to do this, but there. Hopefully, get most of it in there. Well, it's spilling everywhere, but cool. It looks pretty good. Not really. Am I getting everywhere? Probably. I can't even see. Oh yeah, she's leaking everywhere. Oh, that's great. Oh, cool. Get that phone to stay. I don't think much is gonna come out there, but I might have to get some more coolant and put in there anyway. It's not the end of the world, but look at how clean that is in there. See the thermostat in there. Everything looks good. Look how clean it is. Well, we had a little mishap happen. That happened. She broke. Well, what happened is the stupid battery on there was not working right, and I couldn't see a thing, so I whipped it across the room and busted it. So anyway, you can get them cheap anyway. So I got the water pump. I hate this phone. Come on, turn on. Oh, fuck, hold on. I absolutely hate this phone. You have to press 7,000 buttons just to get the flash to come on for your video. I think this is the dumbest phone I've ever seen. Whoever made this iPhone is a very horrible person. Please give me all my money back, because it's just junk. So, let's get the water pump back together and get it in there and get some coolant in there and see if we have any massive leaks, which, my luck. just love lights. Okay, now after destroying 2 flashlights and whatever else is going on, we're gonna go and put the pulley and the belts on eventually, but first I'm gonna put some coolant in there right now first. And I suppose I gotta burp it out of there too, and I wanna see if it leaks here first before I put anything back together. Okay, I got everything back together. I just have to tighten down this. Hoses on there, water pumps on there, everything's on there, nothing's leaking. I did purge the system. If I have to purge it again, I will do it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to start it up in here, kind of open the garage door a little bit, and if it isn't leaking, then I'm going to back it out and let it run, and I'm going to hook the scan tool up to it and see how it does. So if it does not heat up too fast or go over, like, well, I think it's supposed to run around 180 or somewhere around there, but if it goes over 210 and climbs, I'm going to have to stop and purge the lines or whatever. Now check the heat because it's nice and cold. It's a good time to do that and go from there. So let's see what can blow up. Check. Okay, engine coolant's about 132 degrees. It's probably still got some air in there. I might have to purge it. I drove around a little bit. Feels like it's getting hot up. Probably still has got some air out there. She's warming up a little bit there. Engine's probably got to run a while too. It hasn't been ran. I don't know. But, should be 160 degrees Fahrenheit, so maybe it got some air and needs to be purged out a little bit. So probably have to do some more purging and stuff. Everything looks good. No leaks. Alright, that's good. Just warming up. Getting hotter. I think what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to run it around a little bit around town and come back. See if she warms up. And that'll be it for installing a new water pump on a Toyota Prius. It actually was pretty darn simple. Well, I need to purge some more air out of the lines, but other than that, I call this a success. No leaks, water pump is on there good, the belt looks good, and I was going on a side street and just almost ran into Caleb on his Honda car, that black Honda that we used to have. We gave it to him. We almost ran into him. I almost had a collision. No, I'm just kidding. So I talked to him there for a little while. It was nice to see him. Yeah, he moved out of here a while ago, so probably a month ago now? I think it's about a month ago, but anyway, we're good. So I do have to burp the line out a little bit yet. There's still some air in there, but other than that, $20 for the water pump and $10 for the belt. That's all it needed.